Alright YouTube, I'm back home. Today we're going to do a video. I actually want to show y'all what my... Now these are not really genuine small pipes, but they are small pipes. So, take these out of the bag. We're going to put them together. Alright, starting with, let me get this wheels changer out. We are actually trying to make it sound good. Me and Thaddeus both were... he's helping me make sure that they both sound good. So we're going to get this channel out. It looks like a Highland set. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put there's the bag. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and assemble the tenor drone. It goes on this way. There we go. Not quite that far in. And then I'll get the bag out. There's the bass drone. There's the end that goes in. Alright, there we go. I'll pull the whole thing out. Oh. Well, there goes the whole drone stock. Let me put that back in. Make sure that's well seated into the stock at least. There we go. Let's give these a test. I'll move over. Well, they do kind of sound like small pipes, just the pitch is varying a lot. But there we go. Those are the practice chanter small pipes. Not that bad, but again, not that perfect. And that's how you deflate a set of small pipes. I want to give me a genuine set though, but a good set of small pipes. But until then, I'm just gonna have fun with these. We're gonna try and get all these fixed tomorrow, because it turns out the reed that was in them. Again, thanks to Andrew though, he was pretty awesome for doing that. Put these back in. Bag first, then pipes in. And there we go. Then we get all that in. Once we can figure out how to get these pipes sounding a lot better, even though these are practice pipes, Again, these are not really genuine small pipes, but guess what? They're still small pipes, and they're Scottish, so there we go. They're still small pipes. Even though they're not the regular kind of small pipes, they're still small pipes, so there we go. You always got to hear what they sound like. There we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.